Okay, we're doing 16-4 tonight, which is finding the mean of a set of numbers. Okay, remember mean means the same thing as average. Okay, so for finding the mean of a set of numbers, that means we have a bunch of numbers. So for example here, this one had 3, 9, 7, 4, 8, and 5. We had a set of numbers, and we're going to average them out to see what the average is. So if we were to go and add all these numbers up, we would get a sum of 36. Okay, now that's not your average yet. In order to find the average or the mean, you have to take that sum and you have to divide it by however many values you had. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. So what we do is we take that sum that we added up, 36, and we divide it by 6 because that's how many values we had. So our average of all these numbers, the average or the mean would be 6. So I'm going to do a couple here on the reteach side with you, and then you can do the practice side for homework. So here we go. Number 1, find the mean of each group of numbers. So here we have an 8, a 5, and an 8. If we add those up, 8 plus 5 plus 8, we get an answer of 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21. So we got a sum of 21. Now since we had 1, 2, 3 values, we're going to divide the sum, which was 21, by 3. So 21 divided by 3. And the answer to that is 7, because 7 times 3 equals 21. So the average or the mean of these three numbers, or these three values, is 7. Now let me do a couple more. I'll do this number 6 down here. This number 6 has the number 123, 54, 41, and 6. Now be very, very, very careful when you write these numbers down. If you write them down in the wrong place, you're going to get the wrong answer. So all the ones need to be in the ones place. All the tens need to be in the tens place. All the hundreds need to be in the hundreds place. If you just go and write those numbers down willy-nilly, 123, 54, 41, 6, when you add those numbers up, you're going to get a totally off-the-wall answer. So please, when you add these up, be very, very careful that all the ones go in the ones place, the tens go in the tens place, and the hundreds goes in the hundreds place. So when I add these up, 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1 more is 8, and 8 plus 6 is the answer, is the number 14. So I put my 4 and I carry my 1. 4 plus 5 is 9, 10, 11, 12. So I put my 2, carry my 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So my sum was 224. This is for number 6. Okay. Now how many values did I have? I had 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to take this sum and divide it by 4. 224 divided by 4. Alright. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my average. So 4 does not go into 2 at all, but it does go into 22. How many times? 5 times. Now I multiply. 5 times 4 is 20. Now I subtract. 22 take away 20 is 2. And then I bring down the 4. 4 goes into 24 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. And then I subtract, and I get a remainder of 0. So the average of those 4 numbers is 56. So again, your steps are, first you add, then you multiply. I'm sorry, not multiply. First you add, then you divide by the amount of values that you have in the problem. Okay, I don't have time to do another one, so if you need to, go back and watch this video again. Good luck on your homework tonight. Your homework is 16-4. Do the practice side. Have a good one.